Okay. So in this class, I'll be solving a question under motion. So the question is, during a babysitting assignment, a babysitter is constantly picking up toys dropped from the infant's high chair. If the toys drop from rest and hit the floor 0.56 seconds later, from what height are they being dropped? Now, this is question under motion, and then we have to use equation of motion for this question. Now, there are three equations of motion that we have. The first one is V equals U plus AT. The second one is V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. And the last one is S equals UT plus half AT squared. So these are the three main equations of motion that we have. But this motion is motion under gravity. And when we have motion under gravity, it is either the object is moving upward. And when the object is moving upward, the acceleration of the body is equal to negative of acceleration due to gravity. But if it is moving downward, the acceleration of the body is equal to the positive of acceleration due to gravity. So if you look at this question, the equation of motion that we are going to use for a particular question depends on the parameters given in the question. In this question, we are given the time, which is 0.5 seconds, right? Then we are looking for the height. If you look at these three equations of motion that we have here, you will see that the only equation of motion that has, okay, what we are looking for and the parameters given is this last equation. And we are told that the toy is being dropped, okay, to hit the floor, meaning the toy is coming downward. So the fact that the toy is coming downward, it shows that the acceleration of the body is going to be equal to positive of g. So I'm coming here, I'm saying that S equals, now the toy is being dropped from rest, meaning the initial velocity of the toy is 0. So if I input 0 here, all this is going to be 0. Then I'll be left with this. So that will be half. Then this A becomes this G T squared. Okay. Then I'm looking for the height, which is the same thing as this, equals half. I'll be taking my G to be 10. Then the time given is 0.6 squared. Okay. Then if I multiply all this, I'm going to have, so half multiplied by 10 is going to give us 5, obviously. Then 0.56 squared will give us 0.3136. So I'll multiply that by 5. Then I'm going to have the height to be 1.568 meters. So that is how to go about that particular question. So the equation of motion that should be used for a particular question depends on the parameters given. And that is basically what we have for that. Thank you, guys. See you guys.